In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import forms into WPForms. If you already have a form file saved from another WPForm setup, bringing it into your site is a quick process. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside WordPress and how to upload the form so it appears in your WPForms list and is ready to use. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your website, plugins, pages, and forms. Once you're in, make sure WP Forms is installed and active on the site where you want to import the form. That way, the import tools will be available and easy to access. Next, in the left-hand menu, go to WP Forms, then open Tools. Inside the Tools area, click on the Import tab. This section is specifically designed for bringing forms into WP Forms from an existing file. If you've never used it before, don't worry. The layout is simple and you only need a couple of clicks to complete the process. Under the WP Forms import section, click Choose a File. Then locate and select your forms.json file from your computer. This .json file is the exported version of the form, and it contains the form structure and settings needed for WP Forms to recreate it on your site. Be sure you're selecting the correct file before moving on, especially if you have multiple exports saved in the same folder. After the file is selected, click the Import button. WP Forms will begin uploading and processing the file. This usually only takes a moment. During this part, it's best to wait until the import finishes completely before clicking anywhere else, just to avoid interrupting the process. Once the import is successful, you'll see a confirmation message on the screen. That message will include a link to your form's overview page. Go ahead and open that page, and you should see your newly imported form listed there. From that point, the form is ready to review, edit, or use anywhere on your website. As a final tip, it's a good idea to open the imported form and quickly check the fields, notifications, and confirmation settings before publishing it. Even though the import process is straightforward, a quick review helps make sure everything looks and works exactly as expected. That's all it takes to import a form into WP Forms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.